Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to hide developer options if they are activated on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the system and update section. If the developer options are activated on your device, you will see here the developer options section. Just tap there, and to hide the developer options you should click here once on the switcher, and now as can you see it just automatically goes back, and as can you see the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide the developer options on your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.